Imagine this. Your baby is smiling, crawling across the floor, and then picks up a colorful toy, puts it right in their mouth. You smile back, unaware that what looks like an innocent moment might be hiding a health threat you never saw coming. What if I told you that even though your baby's toys look clean, many are still covered in invisible germs, bacteria, and even traces of harmful chemicals? Scared? You should be, but don't worry. Today, we're going to uncover the truth about cleaning baby toys and bottles safely at home. Without harsh chemicals, expensive sanitizers, or factory-made cleaners. Like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep if your baby's safety is your top priority. And let's get started. Being a parent, especially to a newborn, comes with a constant sense of fear and responsibility. Every sneeze feels like an emergency. Every unwashed bottle feels like a risk. You want to give your baby a clean, safe world. But where do you even begin? Most parents either go overboard, scrubbing everything with harsh disinfectants, or they rely on hot water and hope for the best. But what's the right way to do it? How do you clean without introducing even more toxins? This isn't just about cleanliness, it's about peace of mind. Because deep down, all we want is to protect our little ones from the unseen. Here's the hard truth. Most disinfectants labeled baby safe are still loaded with chemicals you can't even pronounce. While they do kill bacteria, they also leave behind residues that your baby might swallow, especially with toys they chew or bottles they drink from. Even worse, plastic toys and bottle nipples are porous. That means they absorb whatever you clean them with. So if you're using bleach, antibacterial wipes, or strong dish soaps, guess what's getting absorbed? Yes, that's going into your baby's body. Here's the good news. There's a natural, safe, and doctor-approved method to clean both toys and bottles at home, and it doesn't require anything fancy. All you need is white vinegar, warm water, baking soda, optional, a soft brush or cloth, and boiling water for sterilizing. Let me walk you through each step and explain why it's the best and safest way. How to clean baby toys safely. First, divide the toys into two categories: plastic or silicone toys without batteries, and toys with batteries or electronics. For plastic or silicone toys, make a cleaning solution using 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts warm water. Soak the toys for 15 to 30 minutes. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant. It kills bacteria and viruses without toxic residues. After soaking, use a clean brush or soft cloth to scrub away dirt. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water and let them air dry in the sun. Sunlight is a natural sanitizer too. Now for toys with electronics, never soak them. Instead, dip a cloth in the vinegar solution, wring it out well, and wipe the surface. Use cotton swabs for tiny corners. Let it air dry completely. What about wooden or fabric toys? For wooden toys, use a cloth soaked in diluted vinegar and wipe them down. Don't soak. Wood absorbs moisture and can get moldy. For fabric toys or plushies, toss them in the washing machine using a baby-safe detergent or wash by hand in warm water. Dry in the sun to kill any remaining germs. How to clean baby bottles and nipples. When it comes to bottles, hygiene is non-negotiable. Start by rinsing the bottle and nipple with warm water immediately after each use. Don't let milk sit in there. It creates a breeding ground for bacteria. How often should you clean? This is a common question, and the answer depends on how frequently the toy or bottle is used. Bottles should be cleaned after every single use, no exceptions. Teething toys or chewable items should be cleaned every 1 to 2 days. Many parents underestimate the long-term impact of chemical exposure in early childhood. From skin irritation to hormonal disruptions, the risks are real. But by switching to natural methods, you're not only protecting your child, you're also reducing your family's overall chemical footprint. Plus, let's not forget, vinegar and baking soda are budget-friendly. Like and subscribe for more practical, honest, and emotionally driven solutions for your home and family. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list an emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community,